NBC29 forecast.
Weather-wise, first day of June was a beauty. There's a lot of clear blue skies at this hour from the airport, checking in at 85, which is also the high for the day. Yes, northeasterly winds, the air mass very dry. You get dew points this time of year in the 40s. That's very dry air. That's one of the reasons it can be very warm or cool at night, because that's effectively allowing the atmosphere to cool at night and warm during the day because of that dry air, the absence of a lot of humidity. 81 is the current number at the Valley Airport there in Weir's Cave. Started the morning in the 40s. Again, very dry air. So as you take a look at numbers, most of us are in the lower 80s here across central Virginia, a few upper 70s to low 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. Temperatures will fall back tonight slowly, and of course the sun setting at 8:30. We average now over 14 and a half hours of daylight, and the days continue to get longer as we approach the summer solstice. As far as regional temperatures, you'll notice that we're dealing with the 80s, but it's a lot cooler off to our south and east. There's been a lot more cloud cover across southeastern Virginia today, with northeasterly winds coming off the Atlantic and the Bay. That's a cooling effect, so temperatures are held in the 60s and 70s. We'll see numbers here in the mid and low 50s here tonight, a little bit of patchy fog, and as we look ahead to Friday, well, we're going to flirt with 90 degrees, upper 80s to near 90 across much of central Virginia, even upper 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. Again, the humidity's low, so it's very warm, but it's comfortable. Now, as we look at the weekend, still a very warm day on Saturday, but there will be a few afternoon and evening scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone's going to see rainfall. The front that comes through will have a drastic drop off in the temperatures for Sunday, as we'll only see highs in the low and mid 70s. So there's that coastal low still churning offshore. Again, it's been some not so good beach weather the last several days. This storm has been, we've been dealing with since really late last week, almost a week ago, and of course over the Memorial Day weekend. Farther to our north, we have high pressure, and that's largely influencing our weather here and points north. Now, that high will retreat off to the east and make way for a cold front that's currently working its way across eastern Canada. The front will move from north to south. That's a little opposite than what we normally see. That's called a backdoor cold front. Most of the time our fronts come in from the west, but that will put a big drop off in the temperatures by Sunday. Well, it's June 1st, first day of the Atlantic hurricane season. What do you know? This is now a tropical depression in the northeastern Gulf. It is bringing showers and storms across the Florida Peninsula. It is forecast to move south with time. Right now it's over 300 miles northwest of Fort Myers, Florida, and the forecast track does have it becoming a tropical storm. That would be given the name Arlene. Hopefully we don't exhaust the alphabet, and temperatures, again, I mean, names at this hour would be Arlene, the next would be Brett, and then Cindy. So in the morning, we'll start with temperatures in the 50s. We'll warm nicely into the upper 80s to near 90 in many spots. Here we are Saturday morning, a little bit of cloud cover, temperatures in the low 60s, and then here we go during the afternoon with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, upper 80s to near 90, and then much cooler by Sunday. 50s tonight, mostly clear, a little bit of patchy fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We'll call it a little toasty here for Friday and Saturday, but those afternoon, a few showers and storms, and then much cooler with only low and mid 70s here for Sunday. Temperatures next week in the upper 70s to around 80.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll be right back.